Marvin and figure it out did for go and get them visa. Come and tell them say, when you come, you not gonna come over me yard, me have a 7-bedroom. Cause sometimes me I'm lonely, of course. Me not a family. I stay on my dog. So when we find two little people when me like and me genuine, me keep them very close. When me yes them did I go get Marvin, them did I go get them visa. Me say, yeah man, me can't wait for you to come over here. Me and I go fly you out and I go come here, we go there in Atlanta, we go this. Marvin go fit visa, Marvin not getting visa, cool. And you figure it out, if every time the truth, me and Marvin not have nothing now what you tell me. Cause me tired of this and I go talk. Me and Marvin not have nothing at all. I don't know how to get this narrative. Oh, body want Marvin. Me don't want nobody but blood clot figure it out. Me never see Marvin. I figure it out alone. Me want. Me never want. Me build this from the ground. Me not build this on TikTok. Me not build my name on Instagram. My name I come from St. Mary. My grandmother was a big Wobia woman, reader woman in a St. Mary. He did. Up a big yard. And that's where my name I come from. Big yard. Ask anybody about me Wobia grandmother where them cut her throat in front of me and kill. And from them the days them me have my name. My older sister working at every hotel in a Jamaica and do dinky mini dance. And me get my name from she too because she always a care me. Until me start go high school and me build my name in a high school. Till me come up on Facebook, Instagram and do me look hacking page and man fuck pan live and me build my name. How the fuck you think you can come break me or cancel me on the app? But you don't give no fuck if me feel no way, Kawa. You have Jaden to run to. That's the trick, you know. You don't care about Vani feeling. Because if you left Vani today, you know nothing to lose, Kawa. Jaden have a firm platform on TikTok. You rate Jaden, yeah? Jaden rate you, yeah? Oh, you for fall off. Remember, you go always depend Jaden live. And if we for really tell the truth, you see if Jaden gift us them to you swipe them where Jaden now get no gift from what you. I don't care Jaden and my friend same way. If him want vex, him vex. I know why I not go vex with Jaden. Cause my man gone and I just brought it up back. Because you do some things to make me feel fuck up. Yeah. Me I go dig back in your skin for you feel fuck up. Why me I put your life in a danger now? Police then come lock you up too. Police they put your life in a danger. Police think you do it. That's why they did lock up on a blood clot. That's why they come lock you up too. You come on the live and say, what more you don't want? Police lock you up and take away anything. And did we threaten Naya? I threatened somebody and I went behind bars. I learned off of my mistake. I never threatened another soul on the internet. Me threatened already. And baby father locked me up. I never sent out another blood clot terroristic threat. Can me learn off of that. And me, you like to do things and make people look like a them and do it to you. Was I the one who threatened Naya? So why you upset if me say go apologize to Naya man? I you see on video I threaten the man because the man call you Batty man. Anybody call on a Batty man them dead the next day and oh God. It's the truth. My face did get bust up. There's a lot of things I wanted to come live and talk. You know why I don't talk? And Nicholas seriously threatened me. That boy sent me my whole address. Me just not give a fuck right now, brother. Me not care if a man and no one come shoot me, kill me. Me not give a fuck. Nicholas text me on Instagram. You see when we did have the little who remember in our day, yeah, when I think I went me disrespect Javis' son. At that, I think during that time when I disrespect him son, you don't remember Nicholas get involved. Since recently, you don't make me act like my man. Since recently, when Javi and I was at it, Nicholas came out in a box, you know, and say, I'm gonna make man do me things and him gonna find me and him send a lot of threat to me, you know. Me there at Jamaica one time and Nicholas McMahon box me up in a half a tree for Javi already, you know. That's why up till this day, me still call Javi Batman. But me love Javi, so if me know you're a Batman, me never see a kiss no man, me just see in a one gay party. If me go cuss him, I go always say you're a Batman because me see in a gay party for you and me not stop talking. I've never seen you with a man a kiss. Me never see you wind up with a man on the camp. Me never change my story. Me never say me see you in there wine pan a man. Me never say me see you kiss a man. Me just say me see you in a one gay party and me see you with people when me know is bona fide gay. So if me now go come change my mind, why would I come change my mind today and say, oh, me never did see him until death. And if I did come a foreigner, you get me pregnant and me and you cuss me, that still tell you say me see a gay party because I saw you. The long time when me and Javi did have a fight out at the club, Nicholas sent man a half a tree box up my face. 4 or 5 times when I come off of me for blood clot kill me. One other time again me talk about the Tinkerbell tattoo. Man box me up again in the half a tree. I told me not go get Shay involved. And if she wouldn't for talk, she got a but she not go come talk and she my friend. And the last time I talk about it, she post on Instagram say me need to stop talk about it. Cause she know how we come out of it, because anybody mention the bottom, them dead. Them dead. Anybody will know the real truth and can prove certain things or speak about certain things. So the day when me cuss you off and tell you say you're a batty man, Nicholas, me still have a message them. Nicholas came on my Instagram and sent me my own address, which is right as so where me live. And he sent me the address. Call, figure it out, name and call my name again and act like you want to bring down the body. And oh, Batman fuck you. And you didn't know say the man them a Batman and you still make them fuck you. We are going to find you, we are going to this and we are going to that. And true, me know the type of person Nicholas is, and anything Nicholas say he's going to do, he will actually do. Cause him do me a lot since me there Jamaica. So me know the type of person me I deal with. Me clutch it and me leave it alone. Not even Javi me tell say Nicholas page me. Cause me do if he did want to bring it up to you, for you go bring it up to him. If you come take my life, but me just not give a fuck. Me reach up and me not really give a fuck. I wanna come, I just send your threat to you, tell me say wow you can do. And you tell me, you threaten me, so if I click live again, and one way you don't do. And me never did click button live, me just low it. No, all of a sudden the fish are sent on me yard. Me get about 4 or 5 fish. Who you think sending the fish? Who send the fish them on me yard? First when I send the police for confirm see I am live. But that you not do you know. I want to call police for me first because I was live. I want to do it while me dep on live. I want to call police for me while me dey live. And police come knock me door. I mean no say when the police knock me door, you know I watch my live same way. Is a test for fuck. You know I watch my live because you know I try to confirm to see if that's where I live. One fish did come first. One fish did come first, and then the police them come, and then about 2 fish come after. And then another night again, and told my friend me David he come live come say no. Another night again, when me open the door for walk Louis, in at the same Walgreens car one salt. So no me no want me cookie fish or I want to take me that go cook the blood clot fishlet. When I send a fishlet, me throw them in the barrel round in the garbage bin round there. In the late night around 10 o'clock them hours when me a let out Louis, there's a bag with salt, a buckle. Them order it. So you know when you order it, you deliver it to somebody else, the people them will deliver stuff, then knock your door, then left it at the door and then gone. So when me a let out Louis, there's a salt bottle in the bag. And I never touch it the night. I just let out Louis and carry me in. And the next day, I take it up and me throw it. I throw it in the this morning or last night. Alright, yesterday. Today what? Today this morning or yesterday. Me can go in the bin and show it in the bin. The fish let them in a come bin empty around there. Gross garbage truck come Thursday. So no garbage not in there, but the fish and the salt where they around there. Who was sending that to me? I know exactly how I Batman I send them there. Cause I don't want to know see I hear some my blood clot live. So I want to ask if I'm still figure it out, I'm still not talk, I'm still not get into it. Come here reconsider. Cause sometimes people tell if you don't you can't done to even though I'm gone too far already. But the things I'm would really spill me really I feel still I think Vanya really want to say that now. Me hate a manipulator. Yeah, do your thing, youth, do your thing. But me not like when you come back on your live and you make it look like say, oh, And me start everything, and me talk about the dead people them. Now you have the dead people them and say, oh, Ivany this, Ivany that. Uno a blame the wrong person. Go blame figure it out what tell in girl say. Blame figure it out what come tell Ivany say the girl when go to this in baby mother. Why me not hear nobody I say figure it out? Why you tell lie on your friend baby mother? Why you tell lie on your friend baby mother Pitney? Why you tell lie on your friend were just dead couple days ago? Me not hear uno a batter him. Him uno need figure out him and the liar. Me never do him wrong and him do me right. You could have find so much other lie tell. You could have dead man not tell no tales. Me never want to tell me say me have no family at Jamaica. Remember when I say me not have no family, so all of a sudden know me have family. Not a family. My family is social media. That's why when I come here to come vent, nobody know if have a problem. I hear me there from Facebook days when you can't get me off. Social media, my family, I hear me see. Half of you will just come at TikTok or Instagram when you know me from. A long time Ivany have no family. A Facebook grow me. A long time Ivany do TikTok, social media and I tell people, I always say, this is my life, I am my family, strangers. This is where I come and this is where I vent. This is where I feel. This is my comfort zone. The media. Someone don't know so fuck someone come to me, but oh come on for the media and go call family. You give me family member for call? You give me family member for call? My sister and mother, they look at them like me. Me a family for call? I am me have to come. Nobody never do Javi wrong, and you do me wrong 2 times. Now you do me this. 1 time you manipulate me, you trick me. I say, alright, cool. I never really forgot about it, you know. But just play a fool for catch wise. And now you come again. Oh, Ivany the problem. Like Ivany tell lie on the day. You had so much other lies could have make up. Me could never tell a lie. Me could never tell a lie. Past somebody were just dead. But you know what happened? You never know say it would have reached this far, that you know. You tell the lie, but you never know say it the lie. And if anybody can really tell truth, and the lie where you tell make it reach your son. Some don't know what now look pan. The lie where him tell pan the dead. And it makes so many people get involved. And it make topic of it talk about Naya. And it make topic of it talk about the baby mother. It make topic of it talk about the little girl. It make topic of it talk about say the man is a bad man. It make the topic of it talk about who was that done for Mountain View and who are not done. It make topic of it talk about what was said per phone and what never said per phone. Because if you did tell another liar and say Ivany, I wanna me gift as them that. Me would have to come talk about who a done this and who a not done this so and the man where I would have to cuss off no baby mother if say go girl your baby father was a done and him deserve that. Me and mama the mother will live in England more never have to meet because me would have to speak pan her. She would have to hear me and speak pan her there. I'm still not gonna give her wrong neither even though she disrespect me. Because it's all because of fucking you. Because if me and mother to me that vex everybody I talk about my son. But the way how she come about me, make me really answer back to she like that on the live. But if you had come and say, Ivany, I want to me gift as them or because me know about the boy, I know say the boy dead and the boy done or whatever. I never bring that on live. Because that has nothing to do with me. When you over there vent, oh my friend dead, I'm stressed out. You never have to tell your life so your friend dead. Your friend come live, come tell people say the boy dead, you know. Me never know that. Me recently see a video, you know. Fame friend on the other side, Mr. Bossy, he went live also and stated that one of Fame friend them passed out and it was done. It was full stop. You never hear that the boy they come back on live and say, oh, I'm depressed because him friend fall out. And oh, I'm depressed because him friend this. Him said that one time and that was it. Why you have to constantly come back live again and speak about this same dead person till you turn around and tell lie on the blood clot dead. And when I come out and I talk, but based on what you say, and I talk out of feelings, everybody want to blame Vani because Vani wrong for talk certain things. You wrong because you should have never used a dead man as, not even a dead man. You should have never tell a lie for your friend. Because I know if your friend did a lie, you would tell me that lie, say, are your friend woman. You would have to use some different lie. If your friend was alive to the day, you would tell such lie because you know why? If it would have worked out, it still would have worked out or it worked out today. Because if you did tell me, say your friend, baby mother, the baby mother would have still hear Vanny the pan live and crash out. And the baby mother would have still reach out to me and say, why figure it out and tell lie for me? Or should I reach out to our baby father? You would tell that lie that you have another life to tell me. So don't come, you always want yourself. And you know what you're going to do now? You're going to sit and you're going to cry. Because you can't take pressure neither, you know. You like to put out pressure, but you can't take pressure. I've done nothing but be good to you. Look how you do your mother on the internet. And yet still every day you come here respect woman, but you do your mother. You think me not say you did do your mother? And me do my mother that too. Javi not have nobody, but that's why you see Jaden so. Cause Jaden, him said, and Jaden, I say Jaden, you see you Jaden, me have to rate you. Cause you go and talk truth under the quiet. Jaden want me a couple days say nobody no loyal. And when Jaden look for me and tell me say nobody no loyal, me say me no know about you. My man loyal. I me look like a fucking stupid the night because me a defend Javi the night, you know. Me a defend you that the night, the honest.